Andrew Tate is a name that has gained notoriety in various circles, from the martial arts community to the world of online entrepreneurship. But who exactly is Andrew Tate, and how did he become such a successful figure? Andrew Tate was born on December 27, 1986, in Washington, D.C. His father, Emery Tate, was a renowned chess player, and his mother, Deborah Tate, was a fitness enthusiast who introduced Andrew to martial arts at a young age. Growing up, Andrew was trained in various martial arts styles, including Taekwondo, Judo, and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. However, it was kickboxing that would become his true passion, and he started competing in the sport at the age of 16. Andrew Tate quickly made a name for himself in the kickboxing world, and he won his first world championship in 2011 when he defeated Dutch fighter Marco Peek in the World Combat League. He went on to win several other titles, including the IKF World Championship and the ISKA World Championship. In addition to his kickboxing career, Andrew Tate has also competed in other combat sports, including mixed martial arts, MMA, and boxing. He even participated in the hit reality TV show Big Brother UK, where he was known for his controversial behavior and outspoken personality. After retiring from competitive fighting, Andrew Tate turned his attention to entrepreneurship, where he has found great success. He is the founder and CEO of several businesses, including a cryptocurrency trading company, a fitness supplement line, and an adult content website. One of Andrew Tate's most successful ventures is his online training platform, Tate Academy, where he provides courses on a wide range of topics, including fitness, business, and mindset. The platform has gained a massive following, with over 250,000 subscribers on YouTube and thousands of students enrolled in his courses. Despite his success, Andrew Tate has also faced his fair share of controversies and criticisms. He has been accused of promoting toxic masculinity and has been involved in several online feuds with other personalities, including fellow YouTubers and even professional boxers. In 2020, he faced backlash for his controversial views on the COVID-19 pandemic and was banned from Twitter for violating the platform's rules on spreading misinformation. In conclusion, Andrew Tate is a multi-talented individual who has achieved great success in both the martial arts and business worlds. His journey from a young martial artist to a world champion kickboxer and successful entrepreneur is a testament to his determination and hard work. However, his outspoken personality and controversial views have also landed him in hot water and drawn criticism from many. Despite this, Andrew Tate continues to push forward with his ventures and remains a prominent figure in the online business and fitness communities.